Hey, what's going on? I'm Steve. I hope you're doing fantastic. I'm talking fast because we're going to learn 5 amazing, iconic intros from the Rolling Stones on guitar in just a couple of minutes. So we got no time to waste. Let's get to it. I'll count them down. At number 5, this is Jumpin' Jack Flash. This one's really cool. It's in B major, and I'm playing these with normal tuning. Keith Richards used a lot of different tunings, but B major, I use my thumb. You can bar it like that, good B major, to an E major bar chord, like that, with the low E string ringing out, and then an A major. So B, E, A, to B right there. And that cool little lick goes like this. So you begin on the 9th fret of the A and D strings, give it a good pop, and then 7th of those same strings, back to the 9th of those strings, and then 7th of the D and G. G strings right there, and then back to the 7th of the A and D, and back to the 9th, and it sort of does a little cycle. All right, at number 4, this one has a lot of the same kind of chords and patterns right here. It's Start Me Up. So we begin here also in B major, that same bar chord we just did a second ago. And then I hit a, E major right there, the bar chord, but I just lay my finger down flat like that. It's a way to keep your thumb right there. Gets that nice little feeling. So it's really the same thing as an E major bar chord, but with your thumb right there. Easy way, just lay that finger down. Do that a couple times and go to an A major, like that. Good A major with the A string, and then take your thumb, put on the 2nd fret of the low E string, and then open, back to the 2nd fret of the E, and back to the A string. So when you get some palm muting going on, it sounds just like it. At number 3, what a classic, it's Satisfaction. So you start off in here in E major, and the first note is that 2nd fret of the A string, and go twice to the 4th fret, slide it up to the 5th fret of that A string, back to the 4th, and then sort of pull off from the 4th to the 2nd right there. You can use any fingers you want. Any fingers you want, and of course in the background it's going E to D major to A major to E major right there. All right, at number 2, this one definitely sounds better on a Telecaster, and I think Keith Richards used an open G major tuning, but we'll play it in regular. It's Brown Sugar. Very cool. So you begin here, though, in G major, but instead of doing that, we'll do a bar chord. You basically take, a regular G major bar chord, 10th of the A string, and 12th of the D, G, and B. When you add this pinky right here, on the 13th fret of the B string, and then take it off, then go to a C major. C major, you're taking an F major shape all the way up here in the 8th fret. And then the best way to do it is to lay this finger down flat, like this. So you're really going to like an E sharp major bar chord, but I'm just leaving my thumb on the 8th fret of the A string, and this one's laying down on the 10th of the D, G, and B strings. I show you that because you use it a lot here in a second. So after this, then slide it all the way up 3 frets, and then lay this finger down again. Back down 3 frets, and down now to the 4th fret. Same shape, lay that finger down flat, and then go up 2 frets and lay it down flat first, and then back down to a regular, F major shape on the 6th fret, and back to the C major. And at number 1, this one's a classic, Paint It Black. Very cool. It's an E minor. You start off here on the high E string, open, 2nd, 3rd, 5th, 3rd, 2nd, open, hit it one more time, and then go to the 4th fret of the B string, open E, 2nd fret, and then do this double hammer on. So you go open B to the 2nd fret to the 4th fret, and then hit the open E string, and now take this finger and go like that. So you hit the 5th fret of the B string while hitting the open E string and go, pull it off to the 4th, then slide that 4th to the 2nd and back up to the 4th. So, and after that you hit an E minor and you're ready to rock the whole song. All right, let me know what you think about those 5 amazing Rolling Stones intros. Super fast, really easy, a lot of fun, a blast to play. All right, catch you around the channel. See ya.